Jagannath!
The Jagannath pastime is all about devotees' conviction about getting love for God and reciprocation of Lord in wonderful ways. So this pastime started with Indradumna, who desired to see Lord in form of Nilmadhava. After which, priest Vidyapati on his orders went in search of Nilmadhava.
To whom Vishwasu gave shelter and his daughter Lalita revealed about Nilmadhav. Then Vidyapati, coming back with king, but only to find Nilmadhav has disappeared from Nila hill, and gave instruction to build beautiful temple in Sri Kshetra, which is Puri. Then King Indradumna, desiring for Lord Brahma to consecrate the temple, travelled to Brahmalok and spent a long time there waiting for him.
And then, with the help of all devotees who were involved in this pastime, an huge piece of wood marked with a conch, disc, club, and lotus, Vishwakarma started working on deities with a point that no one would open the door. Noise went off one day, and Indradumna, out of anxiety, opened the door only to find our most beloved Jagannath in most beautiful form. But seeing their lordships without hand and toes, he became angry on these actions. But then Narad Muni came and revealed that this is all by the sweet will of Sri Krishna and is a most merciful and beautiful form of Lord.
This pastime is very special to our hearts and so beautiful because it does not have just one or two, but so many pure devotees of the Lord, as we just heard. And this pastime didn't went on for a day, but for ages or centuries, and for ages, as we heard. And Lord reciprocated in this pastime in not just one form, but two beautiful forms. One, the most attractive Nilmadhav, and another, the most beautiful and merciful form of Lord Jagannath. Most unique form, Daru Brahman, made of auspicious woods with special signs on it.
And we would also like to quote our favorite aspect of pastime. So once in Dwarka, Subhadra was posted at the door to make sure that no one entered while everyone was hearing Krishna's pastime in Vrindavan. So she put her ear to the door. Hearing Krishna's pastime, she became ecstatic, and in her ecstasy, her eyes opened wide, her mouth smiled broadly, and her limbs withdrew.
Then Krishna and Balram came and saw Subhadra with her ear to the door. And with those ecstatic features, they also put their ears to the doors. And they too become ecstatic and assume their own particular features with their limbs withdrawn and their eyes open wide and their mouths with broad smiles. So that is how their lordships came to assume this most beautiful and this most special form.
Now let's hear about Srila Prabhupada's pastime. So inspired by Puri's Rath Yatra and having such a strong spiritual connection with Krishna due to Prabhupada's fondly known as Abhay in his childhood days, parents, he once desired in childhood to do a Rath Yatra in the streets of Calcutta. Faced lot of material challenges in terms of money, etc., but that didn't stop him. He could manage to get the cart, and he did everything possible to make it grand, to please the Lord by varieties of offerings, distributing prasadam to everyone. Like the festival at Puri, Prabhupada's Rath Yatra ran for 8 consecutive days. His family members gathered and the neighborhood children joined in a procession, pulling the cart, playing drums and hand cymbals, and chanting, wearing a dhoti and no shirt in the heat of summer. He led the children in chanting Hare Krishna and in singing the appropriate Bengali bhajna, Ki Kara Rai Kamalini,
which goes like, "What are you doing, Srimati Radharani? Please come out and see. They are stealing your dearmost treasure, Krishna, the black gem." If the young girl only knew the young boy Krishna, treasure of her heart, is now forsaking her. Srila Prabhupada, he desired to do a Rath Yatra even knowing he may not be able to afford a cart, then stopped him desiring and putting off his effort. He desired to do Rath Yatra in just Calcutta, but when a pure devotee, pure Vaishnava desires something, it indeed turns out to be very special and very grand.
Now, Srila Prabhupada is the only reason and why we are celebrating Rath Yatra. Not only in most of the cities of India, but also across the world, it has become famous and most awaited festival. They say Lord Jagannath is the Lord of universe. So isn't it a sweet reciprocation of Lord himself that something which never happened since many years, Srila Prabhupada with pure love of Krishna could do it and spread the mercy of Lord Jagannath to not only his original place but all over, spreading his mercy all over universe. Lord of universe,
Jai
Jagannath.
Jagannath. The chariot or Rath is our humble offering for the pleasure of Lord Jagannath. We thought to make something like original chariot, and this is small attempt for Lord so that we can take them on the cart and celebrate this most beautiful festival. And we wanted to look it colorful and traditional, so mostly use two colors, red and yellow, with the effects of golden, black and green.
So we made a chariot in almost 5 parts, mostly done with the help of cardboards, paper and acrylic colors. One is base with wheels, another is main mandap or altar with lots of colorful pillars. Third is Rath's many canopy made in alternate red and yellow with special and auspicious symbols like fish, chakra and banana leaves. Fourth is the topmost part of Rath with flag, and fifth is the most important Sudarshan chakra.
We are eagerly waiting to assemble the chariot and celebrate the festival of Jagannath Rath Yatra with all the devotees and want to offer it in most beautiful way and to see the most merciful form of the Lord. Jai Jagannath!